How to make money easily by public speaking. Are you a natural at public speaking and have a passion for sharing your ideas with the world? Then, it's time to turn your talent into a money-making opportunity. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make money easily by public speaking. From corporate events to wedding speeches, public speaking is a lucrative field that can help you earn big bucks. Whether you're an experienced speaker or just starting out, this video will give you all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, hit play and get ready. In this video, we are going to show you the how to make money easily by public speaking. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now let's get started. As step 1, join a local TOASTMASTERS CLUB to GT is guaranteed. Joining a local Toastmasters club is the perfect way to take charge of your speaking skills. In each club, you will find experienced members who are ready and willing to help you hone your abilities, from adapting body language and commanding attention during an oral presentation to organizing your thoughts and understanding your audience's needs. You'll also gain invaluable experience by providing feedback and constructive criticism within a supportive learning environment. And while the atmosphere is always focused on improvement, soon enough the conversations between fellows becomes one filled with friendly banter, where ideas are exchanged, jokes are had, and shared laughter truly brings everyone closer together. So if you're looking for the perfect place to improve the way you talk, join a Toastmasters club today. Step 2. Find opportunities to give speeches at community events or for business. Speaking in a room full of people can be intimidating, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. Taking the time to prepare and deliver any type of speech is a great way to take your confidence to the next level, brush up on public speaking skills, and make a statement that you care about something. Look for opportunities to give speeches in the local community to increase awareness or promote change. Signing up for businesses hosting events such as conferences and seminars is also another great way to lend your voice and spread knowledge. Furthermore, offering free educational speeches to schools, libraries, and organizations is one of the best ways to put yourself out there and share your expertise with a wider audience. As much as this activity may seem daunting in the beginning, the rewards are worth it. Give it a try today. Step 3. Develop your style and approach that memorable. Deving your style and approach can be the key to making a lasting impression on those around you. Whether it's an education or work environment, having the ability to stand out from the crowd can open up a world of opportunities that would otherwise be unavailable. It all begins with finding ways to express yourself uniquely and creatively. Rather than simply copying what's around you or playing it safe, try taking risks and diving deeper into your passions. You never know which ideas may spark conversations or have potential as remarkable projects. By diversifying your outlook and approaches to everyday tasks, you can craft an identity that stands out from the rest. With this, embracing your individuality allows for others to take notice of and remember you for who you are. One small step for man, but one giant leap for your personal development. Step 4. Practice. 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 The more you do it, the easier it will be. Practice makes perfect. We've all heard the saying, but it's never been truer. If you're looking to master something, whether it's a hobby or a skill set, regular practice is the key to success and improvement. Sure, it might seem like a drag at first to put in the work, but once you start seeing the results, that effort sure feels worthwhile. The more frequently you practice and hone your abilities, the easier mastering your goal becomes. So don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and put in some time. You never know what you might achieve with just a little bit of consistent effort. GTPA for your time and effort. There are many ways to monetize public speaking engagements. Now is the perfect time if you've ever wanted to get paid for your time, energy, and love of public speaking. There are so many creative ways to monetize public speaking engagements that open up exciting opportunities. You can give talks at conferences and events, create online courses or virtual seminars, and publish books and articles. The possibilities are endless. Taking on a public speaking opportunity doesn't have to mean a big financial commitment either. Even something as small as giving a webinar or creating a YouTube channel can bring in extra income streams. All it takes is some creativity and dedication to secure the kind of paying gigs that will help you achieve your ambitions while still expressing your passions. Toastmasters is a great option if you're looking for a way to improve your communication skills and build up your confidence. Not only will you get the chance to practice in front of a supportive audience, but you'll also have the opportunity to give speeches at community events or businesses. Remember to develop your style and approach so that you can make a lasting impression on your audience. And don't forget to practice. 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 The more experience you have, the easier it will become. If you want to monetize your public speaking engagements, there are many ways to do so. Thank you for sticking to the end. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Till next time.